How to restore streaks on Snapchat. The first things first is update or post your Snapchat to the latest version as possible. Just simply go to your Google Play Store and make sure that you're running the latest version of Snapchat. The next thing to do is access the application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you access Snapchat, just head directly to your profile right here, which is going to be located at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on that and you will now then be redirected here. Now once you're here, all you have to do is go to the gear icon, which will take you to the settings, and just scroll down a bit till you find this option that says I've lost my snap streak, which is going to be under support and feedback tab. Tap on that. Then tap on how do I restore my snap streak. Now if you just recently lost your snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed of your conversation. You can also start a new snap streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. That's it. That's how you restore streaks on Snapchat.